took shape before our eyes. Yes, if fear could never bend our path, for we were forged from storm and wrath. The wind turned black, the field grew numb. We knew the hour had finally